When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, one of the most impactful and cost-effective upgrades you can make is window installation. In Mesa, where the Arizona sun beats down relentlessly during the summer months, proper window installation can make a significant difference in your home's comfort and energy costs. Whether you're building a new home or looking to replace your current windows, upgrading your windows can provide a range of benefits that will help keep your home cool, save you money, and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The problem: energy loss through old windows. Old or poorly installed windows are a common source of energy loss in homes. In Mesa, where summer temperatures can reach well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, homes that lack energy-efficient windows often experience significant heat gain. Traditional single-pane windows, especially those that are older or improperly sealed, allow heat from the outside to seep into your home. Conversely, in the winter, heat from inside your home can escape through inefficient windows, causing your heating system to work harder and use more energy. This constant cycle of energy loss can lead to higher energy bills, reduced comfort, and a more strained HVAC system. The solution: energy-efficient window installation. Window installation has the potential to drastically improve your home's energy efficiency, especially when you opt for energy-efficient window models. Modern windows are designed with features that help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer. Some of the most notable features of energy-efficient windows include double or triple pane glass. These windows have 2 or 3 layers of glass, which create air pockets between the panes. These pockets act as insulation, reducing the amount of heat that enters or escapes from your home. Double-pane windows are the most common and can be highly effective in reducing energy loss. Low-E coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are thin layers applied to the surface of the glass that reflect heat back into the room. This coating helps to keep your home cooler in the summer by blocking out the sun's heat and keeps warmth inside during the colder months. Gas fills. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with inert gases like argon or krypton between the panes of glass. These gases provide additional insulation by reducing heat transfer and improving the window's overall energy performance. Proper sealing. Gaps and leaks around the window frame can lead to drafts and energy loss. A professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed, preventing air from escaping and entering your home. Sealing your windows helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for your HVAC system to work overtime. Benefits of energy-efficient windows in Mesa: lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits of installing energy-efficient windows in your Mesa home is the potential for significant savings on energy bills. By reducing the amount of heat that enters your home during the summer and preventing heat loss in the winter, your HVAC system won't need to run as often or as long. This can lead to a noticeable reduction in your monthly energy costs. Improved comfort. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable year-round. In Mesa's hot summers, you'll enjoy cooler indoor temperatures, and in the winter, your home will stay warmer without putting extra strain on your heating system. With proper window installation, you won't have to deal with cold drafts or uncomfortable hot spots in your home. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows is a smart investment that can increase the value of your home. Energy-efficient windows are a highly desirable feature for potential buyers, as they promise lower energy bills and improved comfort. This can make your home more attractive in the real estate market, leading to a higher resale value. Environmental impact. By reducing your energy consumption, energy-efficient windows can also contribute to a greener environment. Less energy use means fewer fossil fuels burned, which results in fewer carbon emissions. If you're looking to lower your carbon footprint and do your part for the environment, window installation is a great way to start. Conclusion. In Mesa, where the temperature can soar during the summer months, installing energy-efficient windows is a smart way to improve your home's energy efficiency. Not only will you save money on your energy bills, but you'll also enjoy a more comfortable living space year-round. With the added benefits of increasing your home's value and reducing your environmental impact, upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off in many ways. Whether you're replacing old windows or building a new home, the right window installation can make a world of difference in the long-term energy efficiency and comfort of your home.